It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. This week what we'll be doing, I'll be fixing my Thanksgiving side dish and dessert. And the first thing I'll be fixing here is corn pudding. Now what we'll need is 5 large eggs. We'll need 1/3 cup of butter. We're going to melt it and let it cool down a little bit. And we'll need 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and can of whole kernel corn. We're going to use our homegrown. This is from last year. And we're going to be doing 2 14.75 ounce cans of cream style corn. Alright, let me melt the butter and we'll get started. Alright, I've melted our butter here. I'm going to let that cool off while I'm over here doing these eggs here. Now what we're going to do, first of all, you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now I'm going to crack these eggs here. I'm going to need 5 altogether. Alright, now I'm going to whisk them together here. Okay, now we'll add our inner milk and sugar and melted butter and cornstarch here. Milk here. Okay. I'm gonna wait on that butter just a minute. It's not completely cooled off yet. We'll put in our sugar first. Cornstarch here. I've never had corn pudding before. I heard it's pretty good. I've never had it before, but I thought I'd try that for my recipe. Alright, let me mix this together here. We'll have to wait on our butter here. Alright, our butter's cooled off here. We'll put that in. Okay. Just get that completely mixed together here. Like I said, I've never had corn pudding before. From what I've heard, it's just about like a corn cobbler, kinda. Okay. Now, let me get my cans of corn opened up and let me drain my other corn here. Be right back. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add in our cream corn. 2 cans of that. Okay. Alrighty, it's all mixed up here. And if I didn't say before, you have to grease your casserole dish, pan, whatever you're using for this. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to pour this in the casserole dish. We're going to cook it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. We'll be back. Alright, we just got it out of the oven here. We'll get it plated up along with our other stuff. We'll be right back to taste test it. Alrighty folks, here we got it plated up here. Mom, Dad, try it.
Alrighty.
delicious.
It's really good, Dan.
Thank you. Like I said, we've never had corn pudding before. At least I've never had it.
I've never had it either.
Never had it. Delicious.
Yep, delicious.
Alrighty, folks. Now I'll be making my Snickers pie here. See you in just a second. Alright, now I'm going to make my dessert. What I'm going to make for my dessert is a no-bake Snickers pie. What you'll need is 1 Oreo cookie pie crust. It can be just a chocolate pie crust. 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. A half a cup of dulce de leche. We ain't going to get fancy. All it is caramel dip. Cup of powdered sugar. 1 package of Cool Whip, 8 ounces. 3 Snickers candy bars chopped. A 1/4 cup of peanuts chopped. And melted chocolate for drizzling. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our caramel sauce, 2 tablespoons of it. I'm going to pour in the bottom here. Just spread it out. May want to heat it up just a little bit. That way it spreads a little bit easier. I believe I'm going to do that before I get the next tablespoon out. Be right back. Alright. Alright, I think this is going to be a little bit better now. It'll be able to be moved out a little bit more. Let me get my spoon here. Oh yeah. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of our chopped peanuts. All together it calls for a 1/4 cup of chopped peanuts, so half of that would be 2 tablespoons. I got a half tablespoon right here. Just going to spread it out across that caramel sauce. Okay. 2, this is 3, okay, 4, alright, now we're going to put in our chopped Snickers bar. This is just one of them. Okay, alright, now I'm going to take our cream cheese here. It says to put the caramel in first, but just to make sure it don't stick to the bottom here, I'm going to put the cream cheese in first. Okay. Now, we got our caramel sauce, creme de leche, whatever you want to call it. Got a 1/4 cup here. Get my spoon over here, make sure it gets all out of there. Okay. Alright, now close this up and mix it up here. Now we're going to put in our powdered sugar here. Okay. Alright, now we're going to add in our thawed Cool Whip. Okay, I think I pretty much got all the Cool Whip out. There's a little bit left. Okay. Now we'll fold this together until it's creamy and smooth. Now we're going to put in a little bit of our Snickers. I'll mix that up. Alright, we're just going to pour it out here on top. May need a bigger pie shell. No, it should be good. Okay, I'm going to get this all smoothed out and I'll be back with the next step. Alright, we're going to do 2 tablespoons. Going to drizzle it on top here. The caramel cooperate with me. You can hear a little bottle baby beauty in there.
She'll be going to the barn here.
Yeah, she'll be going to the barn here in just a few minutes. She said she can see the sun out there. She's missing time to go outside. Okay. Okay. Now, we got our leftover Snicker pieces. Okay, now we've got our peanuts here. Alright, now what I've done, I put a little bit of the chocolate chips in. I put a little bit in and I put some coconut oil in and I heated up for 20-second intervals. That way it'll drizzle good. Alright, that's about all I can get out. Now what we're going to do, we'll set this in the refrigerator for about an hour. And then when Dad comes home, I'll have Mom and Dad, I'll have them taste test it, see how good it is. We'll be right back. Alrighty folks, we've let it sit in the refrigerator for about 2 or 3 hours. Minimum is 1 hour. Alright, we'll cut us a piece and I'll have Mom and Dad taste test it. Be right back. Alright, Mom and Dad, try your piece.
Go ahead.
Alrighty.
Dig in.
I'm going to. Gotta get a piece of chocolate. Oh, I was hitting that nut.
Oh, I'm tearing it all to pieces. Come here.
Help her out a little bit, Dad.
Delicious.
Good?
Delicious.
Hold on. Better try another piece just to be sure. Delicious. Good.
Very good. Delicious.
Very good. All right, folks. I want to thank y'all for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This was my Thanksgiving side dish and dessert. That'll be doing his next week.
What?
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon.